Were you able to guess where I was last week? Come on inside and I'll show you. I'm in a sheep barn. Do you want to meet them? Stomper, Phil, Jethro, Dude, Butkus, Lloyd, Einstein, and Nugget. There's Nugget and Einstein and Lloyd and Butkus. He's very sweet. And Dude and Jethro. And there's Stomper. We feed them this food twice a day and they get some hay. And make sure they have fresh, clean water every day. We let them out and let them have exercise every day. It's very important to make sure that they have a clean stall. We have to make sure that we clean them very well. Get out all of the old dirty stuff. Then we put new clean shavings down. Phil is getting a haircut. As it gets warmer, wearing your wool coat sounds a little crazy. So we give them a haircut to make them cooler. You can see that their wool is really soft and fluffy. We call this process shearing. We are taking off some of the sheep's wool. I hope you've enjoyed your trip to the sheep barn.